Hello everyone, in this video we will start with session 5 of the number 1 bestseller Normal Lewis. So let's get started. Here we completed session 4. In this video we will start with session 5. So let's start. That is urgence and related words. Inside you, that was internist we saw. Internist and internal derive from the same Latin root internus, which means inside, all right. The internist is a specialist in internal medicine. This physician determines the state of your internal organs in order to discover what's happening within your body to cause the troubles you're complaining of, as I told you in the previous session. Internist is a doctor or is a physician who you consult regarding any problem you have, and he diagnoses the type of problem you are having by checking your internal organs. You can just understand by this. Moving on, we have doctors for women, the simple and the most remembered one. The word gynecologist is built on the Greek root gyn, which means woman, plus logos, which means science. Etymologically, gynecology is the science in actual use, the medical science of women. An adjective for this is gynecological. So we saw that gynecology is the study of female organs, female reproductive system, and gynecological is the adjective, and gynecologist is a female doctor. Next we had obstetrician, which delivers babies and helps in pregnancy, derives from Latin obstetrix, which means midwife, which is in turn has its source in Latin verb meaning to stand, midwives. So obstetrix, which means midwife, is an ancient concept. Midwives have been support through delivering the babies. The suffix Isian means means expert. Okay, whenever you see Isian in as a suffix, it means expert, as in obstetrician, physician, musician, magician, and many more words. And obstetrix is the study. Obstetrix is the study, like we saw for gynecologist. Gynecology is the study. Same for obstetrician. Obstetric is the study. Okay, moving on, we have this adjective, you can say obstetric here or obstetrical. Okay, children. Pediatrician is a combination of Greek pados, which means child, and ireia, meaning healing, and ischian, as we already know, expert. If you break down this word pediatrician, you will get three things: pados, Itria, and Ishian. Ishian is already here, is expert, and pedia means child, and Itria means healing. One who heals child problems, like pediatrician is a child doctor, and pediatrics is the study, as we saw in the previous two words, and by etymology, the medical healing of a child. Adjective is pediatric. The ped, here you see in the words like pedestal, pedal, pedestrian, is from the Latin pedis, which means foot. Moving on, pedagogy. Pedagogy is a new word here, which combines pados with agogos, which means leading, is etymology, leading of the children. So we found pediatrician was a previous word that we saw. We found a new word that was pediatrics and pedagogy, and here we have some adjectives, that is pedagogical and pedagogy we already saw. So you can read this if you want to, but we're already done, like pedagogue, demagogue. Okay, moving on, we have skin deep. Okay, skin deep, dermatologist. The dermatologist whose specialty is dermatology, as we saw in the previous three words, and adjective is dermatological. If you break down, derma means skin and logy means science, same right here it's written. Derma in any English word, and you will know there is some reference to the skin. And we have hypodermic, which is derived from Greek hypos. The epidermis, another word, and hypodermic, another word. Taxidermy is the keeping the animal's skin preserved after they're dead taxidermy is, it is written here, prepares stuffs and mounts the skins of animals, dead animals. Okay, pachyderm, animal with thick skin. So anywhere you see derm, okay, derma, it is related to skin, like pachyderm. Pachyderm is a word which means it describes thick skin people, thick skin animal, thick skin organisms. Next we have the eyes, have it ophthalmologist. Note the fur preceding th is the form of Greek ophthalmos, which means eye. So, ophthalmos, as I already told you in the last session, means eyes. Ophthalmology is the study, and the adjective is ocular, monocle, and we have some more on the next page. Let's see. We have some 3 to 4 words related to this. First is ocular, which means an adjective that refers to the eye. If I say eye or if I say ocular, both mean the same. Monocle means a lens for one eye. Mono means one and ocle means eye. I hope it's clear. Then we have binoculars. We are very familiar with this word. Field glasses for that increase the range of two. Bi means two and ocular means eyes. And we have a new word, inoculate. Oc, we stress right here. Inoculate, a word commonly misspelled. So this is the pronunciation trigger, that do not do this mistake. And inoculate means puncture or hole is made in your skin through which serum is injected. That is inoculate. Do not confuse ophthalmologist or oculist. Okay. Oculist and ophthalmologist are two different words. A medical specialist with two other practitioners who deal with the eye, optometrist and optician. These are different words. You don't have to confuse between them. Let's see the definitions very clear. Optometrics, opticians, optometrist, optician. Okay. So optician is one who optician is expert of like glasses. Okay, see, as you see here, Opus Opticos plus Asian expert, their specialty in optics, like giving glasses to someone, like related to giving glasses. I have like checked your eye. We are done with the diagnosis. What problem you have in your eye? So we are prescribing lenses, glasses to you. That is optician. Moving on, review of etymology. We will start in the next session. Thanks for watching.